Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with Huntington Bank, fast setup step by step clearly. To use Zelle with Huntington Bank, begin by logging into your Huntington Bank mobile app. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to your device's app store and search for Huntington Bank. Once you have the app, open it and enter your login credentials. After you log in, navigate to the Payments section. In the Payments section, select Zelle. If you are new to Zelle, you will need to enroll. Follow the prompts to enter your email or mobile number. You will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter that verification code into the app to confirm your account. Once confirmed, you can link your bank account for sending and receiving money. To send money, select a recipient by entering their email address or phone number. Enter the amount you'd like to send. You may also add a memo for your reference. Review the details and if everything looks good, hit send. To receive money, share your registered email or phone number with the sender. You will be notified once the transaction is complete. Check your transaction history in the app for any incoming or outgoing payments. That's it. You're now set up to use Zelle with Huntington Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.